Hi, we are from Group 10. The topic we have chosen is workplace stress. Okay, my name is Pratana, metric number 264882. So, for the introduction, stress is a mental, physical, or emotional factor in a medical or biological context that cause bodily or mentally tension. Pressure at the workplace is unavoidable due to the demand of the contemporary work environment. Pleasure perceived as acceptable by an individual may even keep workers alert, motivated, able to work and learn, depending on the available resources and personal characteristics. Okay. For the company's background, Ozona, the company we have chosen is Ozona. Ozona Group is a wholly Malaysian-owned company founded in April 1996, serving both business and industrial communities throughout the Malaysia. Since 2006, Ozona is a Malaysia's authorized industry distributor for Henkel. Henkel is the world market leader for consumer, craftsman, and industrial application in adhesive, sealant, and surface treatments. They also provide a wide range of silk screen or ink product, solvent, reagent, adhesive, wiper, and other industrial supplies. They have dedicated experienced workforce sales team prepared to give the best to the customers. The headquarters of the company located in Johor Bahru. The subsidiary companies are Ozona Technology Sdn Bhd located at Kuala Lumpur and Ozona Industrial Sdn Bhd also located at Penang.
Udayadarshini Suresh Kumar, metric number 264638. I am going to present about the problems faced by Auzana Inc. Company. The first problem related to the work stress issued by Auzana Company is to fulfill customers' demands and satisfaction. Based on the interview, the most stressful aspect is the responsibility to fulfill the demands and satisfaction of the customer. In a business, customer satisfaction is important for both customer and business. At the same time, it is not that easy because customers' perception change over time and it takes time to cultivate customer confidence. Moreover, the competitors also provide similar products and services. Therefore, it is important to fulfill customer satisfaction in order to raise company's productivity. It also will lead to increased customer loyalty, which promote profitability to gain success. In Auzana Company, their clients such as Panasonic, Motorola, Dyson, Philips have high demands toward their products and services. Hence, Auzana Company have to provide an excellent user experience to satisfy their customers with all its products and services. Thus, they feel more stressful to focus and spend resources on keep existing customers satisfied with their goods and services. The next problem issued by Auzana Company is about time limit. Based on the marketing director's viewpoint, they feel difficulty to complete the task within a short period of time. For instance, when the clients innovated a product, the company have to cooperate with them and provide accessories that they needed by them within a short period of time. Therefore, they feel more stressful to complete their client's project. They need more time to find materials needed to provide the best service to complete their task given. With the proper utilization of time and prioritization of activities, they can easily provide a better quality of work. Otherwise, it could lead of tiredness. Thus, they need to good time management at workplace to enhance a better performance which led to achieve the desired goals with less effort and more effective strategies. Furthermore, they also face problem on managing workforce diversity to provide a better job performance. Refer to the workforce diversity, where we can also observe workforce in terms of male, female, young, old, skilled and unskilled workers. Hence, they have to manage and encourage them to move forward by providing better products and services. Otherwise, it will affect their company's job performance and also the productivity. Therefore, they feel managing workforce diversity also one of the stressful aspects in the company.
My name is Liu Kik-sun. My matrix number is 270771. Today, I am going to present the challenges faced by the individual, top management team, employee, and customer of Auzana in Sdn Bhd. So, the challenge faced by the marketing director of the company, Mr. Joseph Ang, is to fulfill their customer expectation and satisfaction. According to him, their customer expectation and satisfaction are always changing, and their customers set a very high standard toward the products and services provided by the company. Therefore, the company need to conduct more research and development to improve its existing products to fulfill their customer demand and satisfactions. Next, the challenge faced by the top management team of the organization is managing workforce diversity. Diversity means different in age, gender, ethnicity, economic background, and sexual orientations. If a company do not manage properly the diversity, it will give impact towards the performance and effectiveness of the organizations. Besides, the challenge faced by the employee of the organization is adapting to the technological change. Due to the technological change, the worker need to adapt to the technological change, and maybe the company need to hire more workers who are expert in IT. Therefore, this may increase the expenditure of the company. Lastly, the challenge faced by the customer of the organization is logistic issue. Before Auzana Inc. established in 1996, the customer faced logistic issue to import industry products and equipment from foreign countries, especially from Germany. This problem or challenges could be solved with the establishment of Auzana Inc. in 1996. This is because Auzana Inc. acts as a distributor in Malaysia to import industry products and equipment from Germany.
My name is Chong Pei San, metric notes 262186. I will present the recommendation for soft WordPress. First, involve AI for in workplace. In industry field, it involves complex production process. Auzana Sendirian Berhad can involve autonomous robot in production. Manufacturing robot automate repetitive tasks, reduce margin of error, and permit human worker to think about more profitable area of activity. By this, it will minimize the work stress and increase the work satisfaction of employee. Second, employee must find out how to prioritize and how to organize. Employees need to set specific target before they set priority. Take time to sit down with the manager and clarify the objective. Employees can use their calendar week so they can optimize the little amount of time they need each week. Set practical deadline for everything, and if all come to pass, it will more production with less time. Third, encourage workplace wellness. Exercise and healthy living are the simplest weapon against stress within the workplace. Exercise can take away the mind of employee focus on the task. If company can subsidize their employee gym membership, employee will feel respected when they think they can get help from the company. Last, allow flexible time and remove smoking. Organization cannot raise efficiency if workers opt to work from home. It proves good for productivity and competitiveness to enable them to figure from home or on a flexi-time basis. If employee child is sick, allow home to work from home or come overtime at the weekend to make amends for the time lost. It affects a good deal on the standard of living of an employee.
My name is Banking metric number 2635557. By having the recommendation and suggestion that implicate to overcome the workplace stress in Auzana Inc. Sendirian Berhad, the company will develop a high quality life in physically and psychologically for their employees, as the company are aware with the workplace stress that employees face. It will enhance the employees to be more productive to the company, to boost the company to move forward and achieve the company's goals and targets. The employees of Auzana Inc. Sendirian Berhad also will be more voluntary to give more commitment to the company in return. As the company increase the working environment with the amenities and activities that the employees able to release their stress, it will lead to productivity and creativity that will bring fresh ideas and development to the company. The investors also will be interested to invest in the company as well, as the company implicates new technology that will produce more accurate output and lower costs, which will bring more profit to the company. By implicate suitable technology in the production under some professional supervision and minimum specified workers able to produce more output in shorter time, it will decrease the competition among the employees in the company and reduce the workplace stress as well. Even though deadlines is one of the workplace stress that employees face in the company, however, it is an encouragement that the company gives to the employees as well. It also enhances the employee's future as they have the ability and capability to accomplish their tasks given on time, which needs the communication skills among the team. Some employees are unwilling to go for training or development classes. Therefore, deadline is another way to develop the employees so that they are in the position they're supposed to be to ensure the operation of the company goes smoothly.
In conclusion, the company had faced many challenges by an individual, top management team, employees, and customers. It should take note that stress can be considered as a fact and the external force which disturbs the person. When it is on the work, it becomes costly for staff and employees resulting in lower productivity, reduced morale, and expertise at work. It recognizes that emotional intelligence plays a role in developing an individual's ability to manage better workplace pressures. We generally think that stress as something entirely negative, but we have seen even proportionately handle stress as a measurable benefits. It is necessary that to have the right balance of various emotional competencies that help one become a good human being. Thank you.